Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to Journal 15 Minutes with me number 3, week 3. So, as usual, I'm not gonna talk too much about the situation. Everybody is now in. I just wanna give you a little bit of distraction. So, if you're something like me, you like to collect things. Amongst other, I also collect stamps. But I do collect them like color-wise, so I did grab my reddish ones, and then I came across this one, and I'm actually gonna zoom you in. I'm not sure whether you can read it, but I try it. So can you read it now? Okay, I'm gonna read it. It says art is resistance. Art is resistant, and as such I love art. I think we all can agree with that. So I'm gonna play with these stamps. I'm gonna zoom out again. I'm gonna use them as a color pop or something like that. And I'm gonna use her. That's from a fashion magazine, any kind of magazine. It was a fashion magazine I have. And then I also have my graphite pencil. Any graphite, it's an ordinary standard graphite pencil, nothing specific. I do have my gesso here, and I do have a cosmetic sponge. I have like 2 paints, and I have a stencil. I try to have these pages somewhat for everybody easy to follow, so I don't go in very specific materials which we maybe not have on hand, but you probably have some paint at home, you can find some stamps, and you probably have a magazine and gesso. If you don't have a cosmetic sponge, you could use wet wipes. If you don't have wet wipes, you can use any piece of fabric and just make it damp. So there's solutions for that. Again, I did forget my protecting sheet. I'm gonna grab that real quick. And yeah, let's start. I have my timer here. Come on. That was wrong. Set to 15 minutes. Here we go. It's just outside here. Okay, here we go. Start. I was thinking, let's scribble down. I'm gonna scribble down this sentence, but you can scribble down whatever that bugs you right at the moment. Just get rid of the feelings by writing it down. And the goal here is not that you can read it. It's more for a visual texture. That's what I wanted to say. It's sometimes hard talk and work for me. At least for me. Maybe for others it's easier. I'm not much of a talker anyway. Those who know me know about that. I like to listen most of the time. Now that would be still somewhat readable. If you really want to more hide it, you could either paint it over, but I want to have some of this showing up, but still. So what I do, I turn upside down my art journal, And I write in between the lines. So, and of course, I'm gonna mess up what's already there. Okay, so you not actually can read it. That was the whole goal. 10 minutes to go. Not bad. Now next step is using a stencil and some gesso with a cosmetic sponge. Okay, that's it. I do have a paper over on the side here where I rub off my stencil to clean it. Now I need the heat tool. For the next step I'm gonna use a teal, and this is actually an iridescent green. Any colors would work. I just think those two make a nice contrast to the reddish stamps. I'm actually gonna use a gift card or a key card to spread the print. If you don't have that, use a piece of cardboard, maybe from an old notepad or something like that, works as well. Now I'm gonna use the same stencil again and the wet wipe, and I'm dabbing off some areas. No rhyme, no reason, just what I think I would like. Now I need my glue stick. Did I hide it? Didn't prepare my glue stick. I don't need that no longer. But I need my steps. They did blow everywhere. Where is my artist resistant? Here you are. Yep. Okay, those are more like colored pops than actually that I care for the picture so much. But this is actually gonna go down here so that it's really good visible. So I make sort of a patchwork, and I make sure that I can cover up the Helvetia. It's not about Switzerland, it's about the colors. Which I probably won't be able to do everywhere, but I do my best. And I think I'm gonna along this part a little bit just with my graphite. Okay, this is another page. I think the 15 minutes are more or less over. I'm just gonna doodle a bit along the page, just to tie everything together. Okay, here we are. As usual, there will be a picture at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye!